If you're here, it's because you have my hair type and trying to figure out how to do the perfect wash and go. Well, welcome, and let's get straight into it. The very first tip is that you have to start on freshly washed hair and choose your product of choice. I'm using the Doux Big Poppa gel. There's different ways to apply the products to your hair. Me, I like to use the raking method, and to make sure that the product is really in there, I go in small sections. This is the definition we have so far. I also like to go back and finger coil some parts just to have a little bit more definition. While applying the products, you have to be careful to not oversaturate your hair. If not, you're going to end up with a lot of product buildup. And trust, you don't want to end up with flakes on your hair when everything is dry. Once you get to the front of your hair, you have to decide what type of hairstyle do you want, because once it's dry, it will be very difficult to change your hairstyle. So I decided to go with a side part, and I really take my time with the front because, you know, this is what everybody sees, and what happens in the back is kind of my business, but not that much. Once everything is done, it's best to let it air dry for a little bit because it will help your roots not get puffy and really stay in place. But I was in a hurry, so I had to diffuse my hair. Now this step is optional because not everybody has this product, but when my hair is almost dry, I'm using the Rev Air to stretch my hair as much as I can without really any heat damage. If you don't have the Rev Air, you can always use a regular blow dryer. I will link a previously posted video where I stretch my hair without the Rev Air and with the blow dryer if you're interested. But if you have the Rev Air, so I only use it twice to not really have too much heat on my hair. The first time level 3 in the lightest tension, and the second time I just increase it to level 4 just to have a little bit more stretch, but not too much. Once I'm completely done, this is what my hair looks like, stretch and everything. Now it's time for me to go to sleep, so what I do, I just tie my hair with hair ties, and the next day this is what we got. This is my hair. As you can see, I still have movements, no flakes, and definition. I really hope this video was helpful, and let me know if you try my method. And also thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.